At Surfaces for All Purposes, we take pride in our ability to transform our clients' design aspiration into reality. And to this end, we offer luxury finish surfaces such as Italian porcelain slabs. And we also have a highly trained team of professionals who have been trained by the manufacturers in Europe that can deliver the projects from A to Z. Arya, we have this project coming to us from Alex, who's looking at finishing their standing shower with our Onyx slabs.
Is it ready?
The drywall complete, everything is all set, and I think this is a good time for us to start heading over there to make sure that everything is in place and they just can go through and start the job.
Well, we've been in construction for many years. We went to Italy, we got trained in Italy, and we came back. This is a 5x10 slab of porcelain. Once you make the cut, I'll show you how we're gonna take it right off. Marble is like a natural stone, so it's porous, so you have to maintain it, you have to seal it every 4 months. You put this down with a fraction of the price, and it looks the same, so you get that final feel, you know, the $1 million look that you're looking for. This is the same piece that we just cut downstairs. We brought it up. Now we're gonna dry fit this piece on the ceiling, and then we're gonna install it. So now this part is the tricky part, because once you've made the holes, you have to make sure that now the slab is a bit more fragile. So in order for you to secure it so there's no more movement, we glue the 2x2, and once we finish everything, we remove those. This is the messy part of the job.
Perfect.
We're applying the cement on the ceiling, and it's kind of hard to keep it up. A lot of it will fall down, but that's part of the job, you know. We do a lot of commercial work, like in the lobbies of condos or offices, you know. So we've done steam saunas, spas, ceilings, walls, floors, basically all the applications that you can imagine we can do.
Perfect.
We just installed the ceiling, which is one of the more difficult things to do in the shower. And these jacks will hold it up for us till the next day, so it will dry up. And we just have to now do minor adjustments, and then it's finished.
This is complete, this is all done, and our next project, we basically would need to clad the fireplace in the same house. Amazing job.